Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside drill bit sharpener. 3 years warranty, model PBSG 95D5. In the end of this video you can check the oldest video right in the corner. Rated power consumption is 95 watt, rated no load rotation speed is 1350 rpm. Accessories included inside. 2 meters is the cable. Simple and safe sharpening of HSS drill bits. Well, we're gonna find out how easy it is. Adjustable grinding stone for optimal results. Robust housing with a non-slip fit. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can work with that. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now there we've got the on-off switch, rubber in the base prevent any movement. Accessories, we've got the brick, you can see it's two. Replacement is very easy, just take 4 screws out and I will show you of course. We've got the dial stone brick, there's the brick cover. Now there we've got the drill guide. It is from 3mm to 13mm drill bits that you can use. We get the on-off switch. Then we've got let's see, 6.5mm drill for metal. We go to down. You can see down and up the arrow. On and slightly. You can hear this grinding and sharpening. A little bit more. Yep, and I can feel it. It's quite sharp now. Great job. Let's try another one. That is 8mm. We can see how it is now. It is in a bad condition. On. There we are. Nice, a little bit more. Yep, I think we're good. It was in a bad condition and now it's quite sharp. Yep. Another one. This is 6mm. And it is great. Yep. We have another one. Yeah, another one. And this is in a bad condition. Yeah, 6mm. Nice results. And another one, it is quite bigger and in a bad condition. This is 12 millimeters. Okay. There we are. And again, just like new. Nice. And I can see it's quite sharp. Nice, thumbs up, it's doing a great job. And now I'll show you how to change the disc inside. We need a screwdriver. And there's the disc. There's a base. You need to take that out with a key, and then you can screw the new brick disc. And you can see here from the grinding. And you can see, of course, how it looks inside, up and down. Well guys, that was all about. It cost about 20 euros. And if you need to buy something like that to take your old drill bits and use it again, I think this is the right choice to do. You can see he's doing a great job. It's very sharp, everything. Thumbs up. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.